Welcome back to the Punch video time, and in this video I will be showing you how to bulk extract zip files using Python. So basically there will be a lot of zip files like over here. You can see that there's one, and inside the subfolder there's more, and inside this subfolder there are more zip files. So what I will be teaching is how to extract those zip files using just one click, which will be actually 3 clicks, which will be the run. After the run, it will be the selection and selection number 2. So let's get right into the coding. So obviously for this we are just going to be needing to import OS. Then after that we want to import zip file. After zip file we want to import tkinter, as everyone calls it, tk. And after tkinter, from tkinter we want to import dialog. Okay, now that we got this ready, let's go down and put in if underscore name underscore equals to, then after that underscore main underscore, then after that what we want is to do main. Now for some reason this thing isn't working. For if underscore name isn't working, so let's just ignore that for now. Sorry about that, and let's just continue. So now let's put in define main. Now inside define main, we want to put in our root, which will be equal to tk.tk as usual. Then after that we want to do root.withdraw. So withdraw means that withdraw this widget from the screen. You can just read this because if you don't know what withdraw is, but I'll just say it. Withdraw this widget from the screen such that it is unmapped and forgotten by the window manager. Redraw it with wm.d-icon file. So this is basically like it's unmapping it and making sure that the window manager forgets about it, so it hides the main window for some time. Then after that our source, so it hides the main window because we don't want to see the window. Because that won't be our main window. Our main window will be our folder selection. So we can just go source folder is equal to file dialog. So source folder is equal to file dialog dot ask. Actually here in the top it's file dialog. I did a mistake actually. It's supposed to be file dialog, then after that it will work. File dialog dot ask directory. Title is equal to select your folder with zip files. So that's what we want to do. And after that, if not our source folder, so source folder, then what we want to do is print no source folder detected. And here we can just take out that one space for clean looks. Now here we just type in return, and now after that we'll just copy this chunk of code from line 10 to line 13 over here, you can see, and then we post it back. Then instead of source folder we will name it our destination folder. So destination folder, then select your folder, you select the folder you want to move to, and then select the folder, not the U folder. Now if not destination folder, so if they never picked anything, then after that what you want to do is just type in no destination folder detected, and then return. And lastly, here you want to put in extract underscore zip underscore files, and then you want to type in source folder with our destination folder. Now this is our one main define. Now we can go to our second one, which we will be calling define extract zip files, and inside that we want our source folder, destination folder. So basically what we're doing here, we are just gonna put it over here and boom. Now for go, we go for root, then boom, bam, bop. Here, then after that we'll go for files in our os.walk with our source underscore folder. So we'll walk through our source folder of a file in files. What we want to do is, if our file ends with, so if our file name ends with .zip, then what you want to do is zip.path equals os.path.join, and what are we joining? Our root and our file. So this is that what we are going to be joining, and it should not be zip.path, it should be zip underscore path. And yes, now after that it should be extract underscore 2, and it should be equal to os.path.join, and with our os.path.join we are going to be joining our destination folder, os.path.join our, sorry, it should not be os.path.join but os.path.split text, so split text. So just to know, there's no two T's, there's only one T, and then it should be file, and then with that it should be 0. So basically what it is doing is that it is splitting the extension from the path name, and then it is everything from the last dot to the end. So basically for this our extension will be .py, so it takes our .py, so it's just like extract zips, and that will be our folder name. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we can just, okay, now what we can do is with our zip file, zip file dot zip file. So zip file dot zip file, like tk.tk, zip file dot zip file. We would want to zip underscore path and R. So basically zip file mode should be R, so like, yeah, you can check that out, everything. So zip path is here. If we put in here, this is the mode, then we don't want to go to the compression level, the timestamps, meta encoding, we don't want to go there. So basically what R means is read. If you want to go into write mode, then you have to press W. Create should be X, or append should be A. So you can just note this down when you're ever trying to do this, because this will help you match your needs. Now let's continue with the coding. So as zip underscore ref, zip underscore ref dot extract all, and then extract 2. Now after that, oh sorry, there's no semicolon. So after that, there's a print f extracted, and then after that you can go and type in zip. So it's an f So obviously you are gonna wanna be doing the curly brackets and then zip underscore path, and then with zip underscore path, what you want to be doing is the any way you want. So I'm gonna just do like that, and then after that you want to be putting it to extract to. And now just for testing, if you want, I can show you how you can delete the zip files that you got extracted from. So it's just simple. I'm gonna be putting it in hashtag, so you don't need to sec, and if you want to add it, feel free to, but remember to take out the hashtag. So you can do os.remove your zip underscore path. So that's one part of the code, and next the other part of the code will be print, and then print your f. So print deleted the zip folder. So for testing you can just use this, but I want to use it right now, so I'm gonna just take the this thing out. Now the if name isn't getting selected for some reason, so let's try that again, and yeah, the if name is now working. So now let's try this. So let's run our code. Okay, desktop, you want to go from, select the folder. From you want to go to select the folder. So here you can see that all the stuff is going on. So deleted, extracted, delete, extract, delete, extract. Now here you can see that in our from folder, our from folder, you can see that there is no more zip folders because we deleted the zip folders. But when you check all the zip folders has been extracted and safely copied over here. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Pond's video time is out. Thank you for watching.